I was doing that, वो लोग music video की preparations कर रहे थे for मैं तेरा. So that's when I met Ehtisham sir. And he was very adamant on having someone new, and they were looking at a lot of new people, and I was actually also helping them find someone new. And then one day he was like, why not? Why don't do you want to be in it? And I was like, yes.
तो पहली बार में हाँ बोल दिया था.
I was like, I was more like, are you sure? थोड़ा सा वो भी था. I was very, very double-minded about it because I was like, oh, I don't want to. It was such a big project, and there was so much like love and like hard work going into it that I was like, I don't want to go and ruin something. ये मेरा, like, it's my first time, and there were all these really big names attached to it. Well, Azan being one of them, but like Sulaiman sir, the DOP, Ehtisham sir, Mavi, Adnan bhai, and it was just like very scary because I was like, these are like people that like the best people to work with. So I was very scared कि मैं justice कर पाऊंगी. And then when he explained it to me, Ehtisham sir has a really, really great quality where he just makes you feel very calm. And I think he knew from the beginning कि मैं बहुत nervous और jittery सी बंदी हूँ. And he was like, बिल्कुल घबराना नहीं है, आराम से, everything is fine. And actually वो first shot मेरा ही shot था. And I remember जब कह रहे थे कि first shot माही का shot होगा, it was like a very exciting thing for everyone, and I was just like, oh my god, what do you mean? And I was like, you're all of a sudden in this world, like rollers lage mein, like baal mein, and you have so much makeup on that you're not used to, and you're just like, oh my god, like थोड़ा सा आपका imposter syndrome भी kick in होता है, like am I actually meant to be here or am I? So it was that, but he made you feel so comfortable, and he's like, okay, you got this. Or I like how the video turned out.
अपने आप को जब पहली बार देखा कैमरे में, स्क्रीन पे देखा, तो क्या जहन में आया?
जब मैंने देखा था तो बहुत सारे लोग मेरे साथ थे who were also involved in the project, so I couldn't be like, ew. Yeah, I was like, oh my god, I was like, great, very nice. I feel like आप अपने biggest critic होते हैं ना, like इतने I'm very critical of myself, so when I saw it I was like, there are 1,000 things I could have done differently, but because the best people were involved, I was like, I know
कुछ तो सही होगा.
I know that they've done like a great job, so I was like, okay, fine, this is.
नहीं, कुछ लोग होते हैं ना, अपने आप को देखे थे, हाँ मैं अच्छी लग रही हूँ, मजा आ रहा है. कुछ लोग कहते हैं, नहीं यार मेरे बाल ऐसे नहीं होने चाहिए थे, ये नहीं होने. So you
I want to be that person. The person who's like, oh my god, I look so amazing.
But you're not. तो दोबारा में जब आई तब अपने आप को पहली बार देखे क्या लगा?
दोबारा में जब मैं आई, because अब मैं बोल रही थी. I'm like, oh my god, this is a good one. I was like, oh my god, now she's like talking. Stop talking.
Okay, I didn't think of it. Now she's talking.
So I was like, जब मैं दोबारा में आई थी, it took a lot of time. मैं वो ड्रामा लोगों के साथ नहीं देख पा रही थी. My mom would be like, let's watch it together. I'd be like, no, I'd take my phone to the bathroom. I'd watch it in the bathroom. And I'd like look at everyone else's scenes so aram se. I'd be like, oh my god, like Hadika ji is doing such a great job here, and this and that. And then my scene would come and I'd be like looking at it like this with my phone, like my phone is here and my face is here, because I just couldn't like absorb it. Now it's a bit अब जो भी like embarrassing चीजें होनी थी हो गई हैं.
क्या embarrassing चीज हुई थी?
जैसे like भाई बहन मजाक उड़ाना.
अच्छा, okay,
वो चीजें. My dad making a few jokes.
Like. You have to share.
Like I don't know, like scenes like he's like, oh तुम्हारी शादी हुई हुई है. Then he finds that really funny कि मेरी शादी हुई हुई है ड्रामे में, and he's like, okay, good for you. You know, so he finds these things really funny. He finds it funny that I say ma, because he's like इतने प्यार से माँ.
ये अच्छा, तो इतना प्यार से हमसे तक बात करती है ना, मैं एक्टिंग कर रही हूँ वहाँ पे.
So he finds these things funny, but I think everyone has like a bit of excitement. Like सब बहुत excited होते हैं जब वो drama air होता है Wednesday को. They're like, अच्छा ठीक है माही का drama आ रहा है. My mom is obviously biggest fan and biggest supporter, so she's just like, this is my dream.
कोई fan reaction आता है, बाहर जाती हैं लोग पहचानते हैं, कुछ हुआ है, कोई किस्सा है जो सुना सकती हैं? या अभी शादियों पे लाहौर में गई थी तब कुछ हुआ?
Their aunties were very like, and I would get very like, oh, like because they would say Minal, right? They don't know my name, so they would say Minal, and I wouldn't even know that they're talking to me. I'd be like, and they'd be like, हाँ मैं अब दोबारा में ना, I was like, gee, and then they'd want to take a picture, and I'd be like, मेरे साथ क्यों? And then we take the picture. Actually, it's a very bad habit of mine, but then it's so sweet that they come up and they're like, let's take a picture, and I always go like, why? Like, Like, why do you want to take a picture? Magar, everyone has been so kind. They like the character. I was actually at a after party for a friend's wedding recently, and this girl who was around my age, wo aayi thi, and she was like, "Oh my God, Minan ho dobara se." And I was like, "Oh my God, even like this is so cool." I was like, "Yes." So then we took a picture, but it was, I find it a bit surreal. Like मुझे लगता है कि like
क्या हो रहा है,
हाँ
हो भी रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है,
ये हो रहा है, और like लोग ड्रामा देखते हैं, like I know लोग ड्रामा देखते हैं, लेकिन like oh my God, लोग मुझे पहचानते हैं ड्रामा से या कैरेक्टर के साथ रेजोनेट करते हैं. Like there are a lot of girls who like DM me sometimes going like your drama. When initially when she was being very supportive of her mother and stuff, she like, it reminds me so much of my relationship with my mom.
That's so sweet.
Those things were really I really like those things, like when that type of reaction comes.
सोचा था उर्दू की क्लासेस ले लें कि बाद में स्ट्रेस नहीं था कि एक्सेंट का मजाक उड़ाया जाएगा. जब
मेरी उर्दू ठीक है, I feel like जितना मैं अपना मजाक उड़ाती हूँ मेरी उर्दू ठीक है, लेकिन जब लोगों के सामने
यहाँ तो लोग नहीं है वैसे, लोगों के सामने दो कैमरे प्रिटेंड क्राउड है माइन के जहन का.
जब उर्दू बोलनी होती है फिर मैं थोड़ा सा घबरा जाती हूँ, लेकिन घर पे मैं उर्दू
नहीं. आप एक्टिंग करने जा रही थी ना, तो वहाँ पे एक मतलब आम स्ट्रीट लैंग्वेज जो बोली जाती है या आप यूजुअली ज़िंदगी में जो बोल रहे हो उससे कंपैरिजन में जब आप ड्रामे में करते हैं तो काफ़ी
उर्दू,
बिकॉज जब आप सेलिब्रिटी मतलब आप एक रिकग्नाइज्ड फेस हो जाते हैं, लोगों की व्यूअर्स की एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है, उस पर थोड़ी सी बैशिंग आ सकती है कि यार तुम एक्टिंग करने क्यों आई हो अगर तुमने इसको एक खास, अगर तुम उर्दू सही नहीं बोल सकती हो. बहुत से लोग कहते हैं अगर आई हो करने तो फिर उर्दू सीख भी लेती. तो ये जहन में आ रहा था, ये कोई ऐसी बैशिंग हुई आपको, फेस करना पड़ा?
जी, आई थिंक मोर सो अब लाइक मैंने इन माई ऑफ टाइम मैंने कोशिश की है कि मैं ज़्यादा उर्दू बोलूँ, मैं ज़्यादा उर्दू पढ़ूँ, किताबें पढ़ूँ, न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ूँ, विच इज़ व्हाट पीपल से. लेकिन मोर देन दैट आई फील लाइक अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करते रहते हैं तो इट गेट्स बेटर. I think it's not the Urdu, it's more the confidence in speaking in Urdu. मगर before starting दोबारा मैंने नापा पर 4-5 classes ली थी.
Wow, okay.
With Sunil Shankar. He was
for Urdu?
No, because I was going to start doing this drama and I was like, oh my God, they've taken me in this drama. I don't know what to do. So and I've never taken classes for acting in Urdu. तो मैंने उनके साथ classes ली थी and he was very kind. He was very very encouraging. उन्होंने कहा था कि अगर आपको मुश्किल होती है लफ्ज़ों, like you say it like how you want to say it, you know, and if that's not okay then correct it, लेकिन say it how it comes naturally to you.
Yeah.
तो उन्होंने बहुत मेरी मदद की थी उधर and he helped me a lot with like the etiquette. और इधर आप acting में it's a whole different way of acting. It's a like the quintessential Pakistani girl carries herself differently, right? And it's a lot of that. So he was very helpful in how to dissect that and dissect the character. And then दानिश भाई के साथ भी बहुत character dissect किया था. बहुत दफ़ा मैंने उनके पास गई थी with questions to be like मुझे समझा दें. He'd be like अभी समझाया था लेकिन okay, let's do it. But every time I asked him questions, हर दफ़ा he was very patient and very 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 helpful. Which is why I feel like character को बनाने में भी बहुत मज़ा आया था because इतनी help मिली थी in that sense.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा सुन के माहिन कि आप actually you went and you took classes. I'm very impressed because बहुत कम लोग ऐसा करते हैं और मुझे लगता है कि sorry me being honest कि करना चाहिए जब आप एक नई चीज़ में आ रहे हैं तो उस फील्ड की भी रिस्पेक्ट में थोड़ा सा कर लें तो उसमें कोई बुराई नहीं है. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू हेयर दैट कि आपने एक्चुअली एफर्ट की और कोशिश किया कि आप एक नई चीज़ में एंटर हो रही हैं और आप उसको सीखें.
It's also because आप सेट पर जब जाते हैं there's so many people there to work. ठीक है, अगर आप वहाँ जाकर सीख रहे हैं it's very, I find it a bit disrespectful. I remember Asim Saab saying to me कि like you should have your homework done before you go onto set. Because you can't waste time there. There's like money involved, there's like people there, everyone is giving their time, everyone has years of work experience, and if you're there to just mess around and not know what you're doing, then you have no respect for the craft basically. So when I found out that I got the role, I was very like कि मुझे जाकर ये नहीं सुनना कि like पता नहीं किधर से आ गई और उसने उस काम भी नहीं करना आता and this and that. And that was very important to me कि if anything, even if I'm not the best right now, like as long as like I have the drive, the work ethic, and I'm like still
And you have tried your best.